Hey guys, it's Mr. Blais, and today I'm going to show you how to make a simple photo collage for our Jason Travis inspired photo project. I have an Android phone, so I'm going to get the app called Layout by Instagram. I go to my Play Store, type in Layout, second one down, and select Open. But if you would like to try another collage app before I even get into Layout, you could just type in Collage Maker. And what I would do is just look for the one the app that has the highest rating, the most downloads, and you'll be good to go. So I'm going to go back to my screen here, and I'm going to open up Layout right there. And here's a picture I have of my daughter. And this is exactly what you're going to do. You're going to take your portrait of yourself, and I would use the first option in the top left here, and then I'm going to take and add the object photograph, and here you have it. That's pretty much how you get the photograph of yourself with the photograph of the objects that you neatly arranged. From this point, you would just select Save, but if you wanted to add a border in here, you could, and that's pretty much all I would do. Select Save, and then you're done. It's saved to your gallery. I hope that helps you out. I can't wait to see what you guys make. Hey guys, it's Mr. Blais. I'm going to show you a cool way. Hey guys, it's Mr. Blais. I'm going to show you a cool way to make a collage if you don't have a phone. You can do this online. I'm going to use the site called Adobe Spark. Select the first link. Select Sign In. Log in with school account because Mahanasan has a school account. If you don't, you can sign up. Select Continue with Google. Select your name. Select Enterprise. From here, you should be good to go. We're going to select the collage option. Going to upload the photos. Just navigate to wherever they are on your computer. Mine are on my memory card for my phone. So here's one. Hold Control to select multiple images. Here's the second. And then select Next. Select Landscape. Or you could make another widescreen one if you want to. Takes a second to load, so just wait for it. I'll give you a few messages here, and then your images should load. And then from there, we will work on modifying the layout that we want, which is one image of our portrait up top and an image of our objects below. So here they are. This isn't the ideal layout. You could use this one, but make sure your images is not cropped. What I'd like you to do is select the layout over on the side. Then I want you to go down to where it says grid. Select this option. And I do want the photograph of my daughter up top. So I'm going to select this and drag it up top. Then on here, I'm going to adjust the scale by selecting scale. And then I can slide it up and down. I can also use this slider. Now I have her full head in view, and I can select the second image, and again, select scale, and I can rotate to adjust slightly if I want, but I'm pretty happy with that layout there. From there, I would just select download as JPEG, start download, and then you see it right there. After you've done downloading it, all you have to do is upload it to Google Classroom. Thanks so much. I hope this tutorial helped you get your photo project done.
Now we're going to adjust the layout a little bit differently if you wanted to add your own creative touch to this photograph composition. So what you're going to look for is on the right hand side you have the layout tab. Select that and then go ahead and try a few different layouts. I'm going to show you a couple of layouts that I recommend. This one here. What I have to do first is select the picture, and I can drag it and drop it by holding my left click on my mouse, and you can move it to your desired location in the collage frame. Then you can use the sliders to adjust the sizes of each of the sections individually on all sides. Feel free to change the color of each of the shapes here. You can choose the recommended colors, or you can choose something a little more bold that suits you. A lot of options within these settings as well. Or choose a completely custom color that you create. Now I've just moved the picture to the ideal location. Feel free to adjust the scale, the slider, the rotation. And now you can also rotate the picture around, flip horizontally, vertically, but be careful to make sure the text is not backwards in any of the photographs that you've chosen of your objects. So I'm happy with this arrangement. But I could also try a few different options, making sure that I don't have the objects cut off when I choose a different arrangement. Like there. So this one is going to be my final choice. In the upper left hand section, I'm going to select the plus button, and then I'm going to play around with adding some text, photo, or icons. I'm going to start off with text. They have some pre-made text that you can choose from that you can edit. I'm going to select this one here and drag it over, or just select it and then locate it, move it up to the top left position. I'm going to adjust the size. You can adjust the spacing between the line and the letters, as well as the opacity to suit your need. You can add a different style to the font if you wanted, so you have two different types of styles. You can select the style of the font here. I'm going to select a slightly different font than what's visible that came with the pre-made. I'm happy with that selection. And then I'm going to adjust the scale so it looks good. You would click on the text to edit the text. I'm going to type in my daughter's name. And then I'm going to go back and I'm going to go ahead and resize to suit the image and make it look a lot better. We're just about done. But if you'd like to add another icon, you go ahead and search for any icon that you want. She likes music, so I'm going to add a music note. Select it and it will appear, and then you can move it to your location. It remembers the last selected color, that's why it is blue. And then I'm just going to change the color by selecting the color palette on the right. You can choose the color scheme, or you could choose something a little more bold. And there you have it. The only thing left to do is to download the image. Select either JPEG or PNG. And then the last part will be to upload this photo to Google Classroom. Good luck and have fun, guys.